I,
Kithure Kindiki,
in full realization of the high calling,
in full realization of the high calling,
I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya,
I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. I will always truly
and diligently
serve
the people of Kenya and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will do justice to all without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
So help me God.